Kan good. That's Farel. Yeah, from Tante Eleanor. Look, I just brought the present. I got it. My birthday cake.
I heard your birthday.
Oh, Farel cake. Get something for Tante Eleanor.
You should say
Farel.
Igen?
Ja, manis. Coba anu saya dia. Farel manis gila. Manis gila. Kan good. That's Farel. Yeah, from Tante Eleanor. Why you doesn't want to take video, Allah? Get my present birthday also. Firman. You say I cannot open. Waiting Eddie.
No.
He said I cannot open.
It's not your birthday today.
Nah? Oh, you want to open? Okay. Dia di sluta.
Grattis på födelsedagen Farel, önskar Brinn och Eleanor.
Brinn och Eleanor. Tack så jättemycket. And then we forget also the last present for Eleanor have is also, but we not write out. Oke, gak ngerti.
Ja, she's sleeping.
Irmi.
What is this?
Samyang.
Hot chicken flavored
Chicken.
sauce.
Hai guys, what's up? Welcome back to VR channel bersama aku, Mami Mas Edi. And di depan aku ada adik ipar aku namanya Eleanor. She's from Sweden. She's good baker, she good cooking. And then ini masakannya dia. Ya, show me. Ya, no. Ya, ini I gonna close it. Tapi udah habis guys, seperti itu ya. So, better. Jangan fokus sama yang belakang ya guys, yang di belakang itu anggap aja itu pemandangan. So don't focus in a background, okay? Focus in a girl, in her. Nice, fun. What this is? Sini ada Mas Farel, ada Pak Edi, ada Lovisa.
Oh, manis.
Oh, manis. There is manis. Manis di bawah.
Wow.
So, hari ini kita mau unboxing. So, thank you so much Tante Eleanor. So, ini guys, jadi ini tuh hadiah dari Tante Eleanor buat si Farel, tapi dia nggak mau dimasukin video, dia duduk di bawah dengan main HP seperti itu. Jadi aku saja yang buka ini hadiahnya. So, Farel, aku buka ya, berarti saya ngetok Bu E, lek sing buka Bu E. Hah? Oke. Gratis for 4 decade again.
Jättebra läst.
This right?
Nej.
What? Ja, wacana.
Grattis på födelsedagen.
Födelsedagen. Farel önskar.
Jag önskar
Önskar Berin och Eleanor.
Brinn och Eleanor.
Berin or Brin? Ja.
Samma.
Thank you.
Oj.
Oke guys, langsung saja kita buka ya ini how to open. Ini bungkusnya rapi banget. Kemarin Farel udah kasih hadiah dia. He already give a present for Farel, but he give again.
Oj. Nej, that was Christmas present.
Yeah,
Christmas
Christmas
present. So this
It's
birthday present.
You see on the paper, it's not Christmas.
Okay. Iya ya. Ada Lovisa.
Vakna.
Dia bokna. Berarti kita ingin untuk Bu Erer. I'm open, so I get my birthday because Farrell doesn't win. So this for
Yeah,
me.
you can use it.
Look like that. Oh! Apa kowe? Apa kowe? Ngerti ya? Not for Farrell, not for Manis. Kata for Farrell. Rel, tak gawe lek kowe gak gelem. I tell Farrell, if you doesn't want, I can use. Because he doesn't want open.
Oh, yeah.
Allah. Farrell lawan like that. So, dia dapat 2 t-shirt guys. Yay, thank you. So Farrell doesn't want, I gonna use it guys. And you, yeah. Because Farrell doesn't want open.
Hoppas det passar. Det är XS.
Tack så mycket.
Tack så jättemycket. Kita open. Ya. Ini warnanya biru. Kesukaannya. Rel. Rel.
Men det ser stor ut.
Det står XS.
It's XS. Extra small.
Extra small, but this
But
looks
looks bigger.
bigger.
Yeah.
But thank you so much. So I can use Farrell if you doesn't want. This from Jack and Jones. But this not endorse ya. Ini yang beliin. That hard ente endorse. This from Tante Eleanor of Perrin. Reklame.
Ja, iklan.
Iklan. So next kita buka yang satunya lagi. Lalu tak peyo, ini favorit aku. That are my favorite. Hollister. That are my favorite. Hollister.
Den här så mycket mindre ut.
Ja.
It looks smaller this one.
Yeah.
This looks smaller. Rel tak peyo. I tell Farrell, I can use Rel because this my favorite.
Så, yeah.
Sure. So this is small. What's it say? XS. Okay. But this is a little bigger. You can use that. Not too small for him. But because if too small for him, I'm gonna take it.
You can use extra small.
That's good.
It's so small.
Yeah.
Didn't he buy a sweatshirt? It's too tight for him. He gave it to me, Alex.
Oh, yeah. That's why. Okay. Yeah, this. Tack så jättemycket. This Hollister. I like this Hollister. Long time they're not going to Hollister.
They don't have it, I think.
In
Emporia.
Ja,
already closed?
Yeah, I think they took it away.
de pantade.
So this is my last Hollister.
Eller?
De har flera affärer i Sverige.
Okay. So anyway, thank
Om
you
inte
so
gått konkurs.
much.
I Sverige. Kan vara att de gick konkurs.
Aku dapat guys, tapi nggak boleh dibuka, harus nunggu ulang tahunku kan. I cannot open now. My hand is itchy, won't open. Sama ini.